What we're going to do now is explore the crypto section of the app, and as mentioned before, this is a separate legal entity that runs the Robinhood crypto section, and there will be a separate set of disclosures that you will have to go through if you want to do this yourself within the app. So what you're going to do here, if you're interested, is go to the search bar just like before, and this is going to give you a list of popular cryptos based on 52-week highs, lows, etc. But if you had a particular asset in mind, such as Bitcoin, and then you can see we have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold. We're going to go ahead and click on Bitcoin, and if you wanted to go ahead and trade crypto through the Robinhood app, you could do so here. Now, Robinhood does also offer a wallet now, which allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies. However, there is additional verification and a layer of two-factor authentication that has to be added, but you are able to do that if you want to send and receive crypto similar to the Coinbase wallet. So I'm not personally going to invest in Bitcoin using the Robinhood app, but you could do so if you're looking to do it in one convenient place. And just like before, you can use the chart here and look at the performance of Bitcoin. For example, over the last year, it's up about 82%.